Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to submit a support request on cPanel. So for that guys, first of all, you will need to log into your account on your desktop and then select this option right here called submit a support request. Now enter here your email address and here your password. Now select login. Now they have sent a verification code to your email address. So now you need to enter that code that they have sent to your email address. Now select this submit button. Now after getting on this window, you need to select this scroll down icon and select from one of these options. Now enter here your subject and write here your description about your service request and scroll down. Now select this add file button if you want to attach some attachments, and then after filling all of these details, you just need to select on the submit button. And that's how you guys can submit a service request on cPanel, and that's it for the video guys. If you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content. And thanks for watching.